it's really not. It's just like that didn't help it at all. When it gets
that noise.
Oh my god.
It's
So nervous.
It sounds like it comes and goes.
It does. Like it's like
my god.
I put off the gas. Yeah, like if I take my foot off the gas, like.
Wait, I forget there's a fire department here.
Shit.
Yeah, this is bad.
Yeah.
I forget there's a school back here.
There
There is Arrowhead.
That's what I
There is. It's like a
Elementary school.
I never knew it was back here.
Because I thought I totally made it up after you said that.
I was already iffy about it.
I was like, I forget.
Oh, so that's how this is Arrowhead.
Yeah.
Makes sense now. Damn it, I'm so upset this is back now. Okay, forget it. I'm not even going back to the same auto body place. I'm going somewhere different. They're lying.
They should do it for free.
Yeah, but it's like I have no proof. Like I can't like produce it and be like, here it is. Because like I'll be like, all right, spray it with a hose or something.
Yeah.
It's really wet. I'll show you.
Yeah, that's what you do.
You gotta do something.
Instead, I'll be like, I'll show you. You never fixed it.
Yeah.
Because I don't want them to blame me and be like, no, you fucked it up again. Because I did it. And actually, like every other time it rains, it gets sweetie, but I don't know. Now I guess it is. God,
Wow.
it was crazy.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I'm scared to like put my hand anywhere near the window.
know.
It's gonna get like shocked off. Alright.
I wasn't looking for style compliments. I was showing you that it's handy when you don't want hair on your neck.
When you don't want your hair touching your neck, I can make my own bun.
You probably could too with that length.
with that length you got there.
But I'll show you. Do you remember Topsy Tail? I'm pretty sure I still have a Topsy Tail in my drawer.
I don't know what that is. Wait, I just have an empty. Because there's there it is.
Silly, do you remember Topsy Tail?
Oh, I thought it was part of the song. It's Sneak Attacks.
People on the road.